व्हाट्सअप यूट्यूब फैमिली, कैसे हो आप सभी लोग। वेलकम टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग। आज इस बाइक का एग्जॉस्ट का आखिरी दिन है। मैं इसका एग्जॉस्ट चेंज कराने जा रहा हूँ, जो कि है योशीमोरा USA, और काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हूँ रिजल्ट के लिए। सो मिलते हैं आपसे एग्जॉस्ट लगवाने के बाद, और कुछ माइनर और इसमें ट्रिक्स करवाऊँगा बाइक में। सो मिलते हैं उसके बाद। It's the best exhaust I've ever used. It's the Yoshimora USA edition, and it's not the original one. The original one costs around 30 to 40,000 rupees. It's the first copy one. But it's fucking good. It's loud, it's sweet. And it builds the character of the bike when it gives flybys and moves around everywhere. The exhaust unleash the nakedness of the bike, which is to be loud and raw, to move. And I love riding this bike, and the way it sounds. Overall, best mod I've ever had in this bike after 6 to 7 months. The bumps and pits, the backfires of this bike. And it's not all the exhaust it is, but the engine provided by Honda, this 164.4cc engine, it's amazing, man. I've used it so rough, but it never disappointed me, and it's still going on. Yeah, but cops don't like such exhaust, so I have to be aware from them. And I hope you all enjoy this camera angle. So now it's time to change the angle. Of course, the performance is upgraded because the stock exhaust weighted around 8 to 9 kilos, and overall, which I have the exhaust I am using is overall around, including band pipe and exhaust, is around 2 kilos. So there is a much difference, and of course it's a free flow. So yeah, performance is upgraded and the mileage is down, but not that much, because the performance it gives, it takes all over the mileage. It is the loss I have been taking. I'm in love with this machine again. And I hope the camera angle is can judge what I'm experiencing now. fucking hell, man. Second gear 80. 80. Brake sucks, brake sucks, brake sucks, brake sucks. Yeah, it sucks. And I was worried about the camera. It might have flown away. Yeah, that's the wheelie it is not giving. But overall the performance has been upgraded much, and previously it was giving me mileage around 40-45, and now it might be around 40. Yeah, it was giving me 45, and around highways it was giving 50. Yeah, but it is dropped. So yeah, going home in this bad roads. Be sure to give a like and subscribe my channel. And see you guys in the next vlog. Take care, ride safe, and bye bye.